I tried Zelcore wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first opened the Zelcore wallet, I expected another multi-asset wallet like Trust or Exodus. But after 7 days of using it daily, the shocking truth is that Zelcore isn't just a wallet, it's an entire crypto ecosystem packed into one app. From day one, I was impressed by how much it could do. Zelcore supports more than 70 blockchains and thousands of tokens from Bitcoin and Ethereum to lesser-known assets like Fux, Rivencoin and Cadena. It's like having a universal crypto passport right in your pocket. Setting it up was quick, no email, no personal data, just a username and password. The app generates your keys locally, meaning you control your crypto fully. That's self-custody done right. But what really caught me off guard was its built-in tools. Zelcore includes exchange integrations from Binance, KuCoin, and others, letting you trade without leaving the app. It also has access to staking, Diffie, and portfolio tracking all in one clean interface. Here's the twist most people don't expect. Zelcore is deeply integrated with Flux, a decentralized cloud network. This makes it more than a wallet. It's a gateway to a computing, node management, and blockchain infrastructure. Of course, it's not perfect. With so many features, the app can feel overwhelming at first, and it's a bit heavier on storage than simpler wallets. But once you get used to it, it's like having a control center for your entire crypto life. After 7 days, I realized the shocking truth. Zelcore isn't trying to be minimalist, it's trying to be powerful. It's a wallet built for people who live and breathe crypto, not just trade it. If you want a wallet that does more than store your coins, Zelcore might be the one you've been waiting for.